In this video, we're going to show you how to get the correct measurement. So when you cut your last section of the aquifer pipe, it ends at the correct length within the trench. Now this is getting to the front end of the run where it's connecting to the header. It's very important not to cut the aquifer pipe while it's connected to the other pipes. And also, do not cut it while it's in the trench. This video is just to show you how to measure it so you can cut the pipe outside of the trench. Watch our video on how to cut the aquifer pipe. We give some really good tips on how to do that. The aquifer pipe should stop 6 inches before the beginning of the header trench. Okay, right here, we're just showing you the importance of stopping 6 inches before the beginning of the header trench. But please do not connect the aquifer pipe to the actual header. There are still 4 more steps to do before you make this connection. Now, if you see it right here, this is when it's all completed. Okay, we got the reducer coupler on there, we got the T, but if you notice right there is where the aquifer pipe actually ended. That's where we cut it at. And this gave us enough room, enough wiggle room, using that pipe right there. It gave us enough room to actually put the pipe in. If you cut it over here, you're going to end up having to cut the aquifer pipe. You're going to have to move the header pipe. But since we cut it from back here, we use this centerpiece to actually make the difference. And that's very important because, again, this difference on all the other aquifer pipes, you're going to see it in the other trenches, is different. So they're going to vary from one to the next. So let's go look at the other one. So if you notice that this pipe looks the same distance, but it's not. It's about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch shorter. But because we stopped here, but that's what gave us the wiggle room. It gave us the ability to have that adjustment. Okay, now here's another look at another aquifer pipe. If you notice, it's cut shorter than the actual trench of the header pipe. And that's what we want, because that's going to give us the room to actually connect it. So here we are measuring it, and we're going to cut the pipe 6 inches from the beginning of the header trench. This is the beginning of the header trench. Come back 6 inches, and that gives us the length of the pipe, and now we know how long to cut the pipe. All right, I hope that gave you enough information to know how to measure out your final aquifer pipe, the importance of measuring it 6 inches back from the beginning of the header trench so that you can finish off your run. Your next step is gluing on the reducer coupler. So we'll see you on that video.